the Premier Dominic Perrottet is speaking.
I'll be speaking in relation to giving a bit of a National Cabinet update from a New South Wales perspective from yesterday and obviously from COVID. Minister Hazzard will provide some further health messages alongside the Chief Health Officer. Dominic Morgan will speak to some of the challenges we're seeing with ambulance at the moment and some of the calls that we're receiving and the pressure on the system. And then Minister Ayres will speak to the tourism side of things and the importance of New Year's Eve here for our city and state. So today, once again here in New South Wales, we've seen a significant increase in case numbers, but what is pleasing is that our health system remains strong. And I want to particularly thank our health workers, our doctors, our frontline professionals who are out every single day providing care and support for people right across New South Wales. The key to us being able to open up society as safely as possible has been the great work and the dedication of our health staff and importantly the efforts that people have made right across New South Wales over the course of 2021 in getting out and being vaccinated. Today we sit here in a very strong position and we're in that position much stronger than last year because of our vaccination rates. When Minister Hazzard and myself and Dr. Chant were in some of those discussions months ago, we would never believe we would have got to a position of a 95% vaccination rate, but that is what we are on track to achieve. And that has been key to keeping you, your families and people right across our state safe. And that's coming through the numbers that we're seeing. Whilst the case numbers are substantially increasing, compared to where we were with the Delta variant, our position remains incredibly strong. Our number one priority here in New South Wales is to keep our people safe, and that will continue to be our priority as we move through this next phase. I know and understand that many people across our state today are anxious. But just like the challenges of the last 2 years, we will get through this challenge as well and come out stronger the other side. And we'll do that because of the effort and the spirit of the people of our state. We've made enormous sacrifices over the last 2 years, enormous sacrifices over this year as well, with many people not being able to say goodbye to their loved ones. It has been an incredibly challenging year, but we stand here today in an incredibly strong position as we head into 2022 because of the efforts and the sacrifices and the great spirit of the people of New South Wales. I would like to make some comments in relation to the booster program. Obviously that continues and please make it your New Year's resolution. Go out and get a booster shot. That will be key, just like our vaccination rates have been in keeping people safe and opening up society. As I've said, we have 40 centres right across our state, 40 centres in operation here in New South Wales to receive your booster shot. If it's been 4 months since your second dose vaccination, please go out and get that booster shot. You can also get it at your GP, at your pharmacist. This will be key to build on our success over the last 18 months. Building on that success of the high vaccination program, our next wave of success will be based on that strong booster campaign. We believe just in our own centres as we head into mid-January, and Minister Hazzard might provide some further information in relation to this, that we'll be administering around 300,000 booster shots per week. Particularly want to thank our health teams in those centres who have worked tirelessly through the vaccination program, who have achieved that 95% vaccination rate, now embarking on this next booster program. And I really want to thank them for the work that they have done throughout 2021 in relation to that program. That will be key as we move through.